Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove vendor name on Shopify. So this is really only for products option. So what we have to do is log in into our Shopify account and log in as an admin. Then we want to navigate into products, and as you can see we have 3 products here. And we have 2 vendor names or 2 vendors. So we want to click on this glass in here, and then we have a product vendor option. And there are Marcus Stone sandals and just Marcus Stone. So we can filter out Marcus Stone sandals or just the Marcus Stone, which are the speed walking sandals. But if we want to go back and clear the vendor name, we just click on clear and we'll be able to see all of them again. This is pretty easy trick, but I get a lot of messages of how people get lost in it, so I decided to create a video about it. And that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.